Review time! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to talk about a new multi-game card. Thanks to the multi-card collector who sent me this to borrow and to check out and to show you the Wicked family. This one is pretty damn unique. That's the reason why I'm making a separate review about it. This one comes with packaging. It's not in perfect condition, still missing out a piece of Reno Grill. Why somebody want to cut out this piece, but nevertheless, it comes in packaging. That is very unique. You don't see this very often. So right, 32 games. It even has X-Men. I'm very curious. Are they NES games? Are they GBA games? Let's check it out. Alright, this one comes with a pretty unique... this one comes with a very unique menu. I've never seen this before. Spider-Man, Turtles 3, Dr. Mario. So there are a lot of... How do we go to the next page? Oh, here we have. Oh, like the old multi-cards from... Yeah. Unbelievable. Nah, that's what we're going to get. So let's choose the Trump game. Trump Boy. Oh, that's really neat. That's very nice. So what are we going to get? We're having here... Okay, I can't fucking believe this. And I can't tell you why. We're having a GBA card that contains GameBoy games. That is cheap as. Turtles 3, by the way, is a very nice game, but nevertheless, this is... It's horrible! Oh, widescreen is so horrible. Oh, it's all in Chinese, so if you need to read something, we are screwed here in Europe. Oh yeah. This was a really fun game. I played it as a child. That was totally something new. If you compare this one with the first Turtle game. The first Turtle game was just a side-scroller where you just need to hit everybody, hit everything. But now we need to collect the turtles and having special moves. Haha, super cool. Okay, how can I... Oh yeah. I can remember pressing start, was it? Yeah, here you can see it. And the soundtracks are amazing. Ooh, almost. Is there there's nothing here? Is there no... Oh, here you can see it, the full map. Where you need to collect all the turtles. And all the ending bosses. A good soundtrack makes the game, you know that. So yeah, let me know what is your favorite Turtle game. Is it Turtle 1, 2, 3, or you never played it? That's also possible. Ow. Oh, just great, we respawn. Alright, let's do a little bit reboot. Let's try another game. Let's try Spider-Man. Yo. I'm curious, which version is this? Oh, LGN. Oh yeah, the favorite company from the angry video game nerd. Get ready. So Spider-Man is kicking everybody. I just kick you from the skateboard. Can you explain to me what just happened? Can I jump on the skateboard? Oh, nice, indeed. But I can't kick or do anything. There are some fun games on it, but I don't get it. I don't get it why they put so... Is he just serious shooting through the wall? So for the final conclusion, people, this is what we're going to get with these old multi-game cards. Very small collections. Maybe for back in the day it was a thing, but that they're making GBA game cards with Game Boy games on it. That is cheap ass. We have a lot of NES collections, but sorry, for this, no. If you see it, if you collect multi-cards, I can understand you want to have it, but for playing, nah. There are way better multi-cards out there, so it's more better than to avoid it. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, because you got notified for upcoming videos. So this is what we're going to get. Check out the gaming channel if you are into gaming. You like some gameplay and awesome stuff. More wicked content, and see you next time. Bye bye.